From the burning heat of deserts to the chilling winds of mountain tops, land surveyors are the silent heroes shaping the world, one coordinate at a time. But what challenges do they face behind the scenes? Welcome to SurveyMentorWaqas. Let's dive into the untold story of a surveyor's life. Surveying is not just about taking measurements. It's about being in the field often for hours under extreme weather. Whether it's blazing sun, pouring rain, or freezing snow, a surveyor has to keep working. Long walks, heavy equipment, and rugged terrain make it one of the most physically demanding jobs in civil engineering. The pressure of precision is real. One small error can throw off an entire construction project. Surveyors must double check every reading, angle, and elevation. They work with high tech tools, total stations, GPS systems, drones, and must master technical software to convert field data into accurate plans. Construction waits for no one. Surveyors often work under tight deadlines. Site managers expect fast results without compromising accuracy. Sometimes you have to revisit the same site multiple times, work late hours, or start before sunrise just to keep the project on schedule. Surveying can be risky. You might be working on busy highways, inactive construction zones, or near hazardous materials. Surveyors must be alert, trained in safety protocols, and equipped with safety gear at all times. One mistake can lead to serious accidents. Many people don't understand what a surveyor really does. Just holding a stick, measuring something again and again. But only a surveyor knows the hours of fieldwork and the science behind every stake. The role is often underrated, but absolutely essential. Balancing accuracy, deadlines, pressure from supervisors, and field risks, all while staying mentally focused, isn't easy. Surveyors need sharp eyes, calm minds, and strong willpower. The job can be mentally draining but also deeply satisfying. So, the next time you see someone setting up a tripod or holding a GPS receiver, know that they're doing more than just measuring. They're laying the foundation for buildings, roads, and cities. They are the unsung backbone of every infrastructure project. That is the real challenge and honor of a surveyor's life. If you found this video insightful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Survey Mentor Waqas, where we bring real field experiences to your screen. See you in the next one.